everyone, I hope that you're having a great day. In this video, I'll be showing you some party decorations that I used for my 16th birthday party. And I decided to make this video to help you guys out in case you're planning a party or celebration or any kind of occasion. So I just want to say that I'm sorry in advance if there's someone in the background making a lot of noise. This is my little brother. Say hi. Say hi. He's looking at all the decorations. I got this flower from Joann's. It's a kit to make these flowers here, and I got it in the clearance section, so you never know what you might find in the clearance section. It's always helpful to look there for good deals, and if you have a coupon, you might save even more. I also got this container from Joann's, and it's plastic, so it's great because it's not glass and you don't have to worry about breaking it or anything like that. And you can put anything you would like in here for your party or celebration. The sign I used is back in 2004. I really like it because it has some interesting facts about the year that I was born, and you can get this sign from the seller in different years, depending on what you're celebrating. I bought these two, the sign and the picture frame, separate. And then I just had it in here. This is a cute cake topper that I have. This is Sweet 16. And it comes with a stick, and then you just use the glue dots to glue it onto the stick and put it on the cake. I got this tiara from Michael's, and I used a 50% off coupon for it, so it wasn't that expensive, and it still adds a little bit of fanciness to the party, and it's fun. I have these tissue paper flowers here that are easy to make, and they came in a set. The thing that I like about these cups are that they are PBA free and they're reusable. They're very sturdy, and you can rewash them and use them again for other parties and celebrations in the future. They come in 3 different patterns. They come with this kind, this pattern, and then the polka dots. The cups also come with napkins, 75 cups with 75 napkins. These napkins are all striped in rose gold. Here's some cake stands, and you can use them for cake or party food and snacks. I like the colors of them too, they go with the theme. And then I got most of these from Goodwill for a very good price. All of these except for this one. This one I found recently from Home Goods, and they're good quality, so it's great. And this one here is for the cake, and I got from Ross. These are the balloons that I have. They're pretty cool. I really like the color. Fun to take pictures with. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that these ideas are helpful to you as you prepare for your Sweet 16 birthday party or any other celebration you might have. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and it would really help me out if you subscribe to my channel. Bye, see you next time.